This video highlights key PredictPulse features and tips. Refer to the PredictPulse user help document available on eaton.com/PredictPulse for more details. First, reports. Perhaps one of the most valuable features is your monthly summary report. An email with your PDF report is sent on the first day of each month. The PredictPulse report includes both an overall summary of all devices as well as a detailed report for each device. Key report metrics include pulse scores, battery time remaining, battery charge, load percentage and trend, and voltages. All data is from your UPS. A partial month report will only contain information for days when the device has sent data to Eaton. The report matches the devices on your mobile or desktop dashboard. Each detailed device report includes an alarm log with the alarm descriptions, as well as a start and end timestamp. PulseScore. PulseScore is a dynamic health summary of device conditions including operational status, recent alarms, alarm criticality, component health, age, and service history. Pulse scores help you quickly scan which devices are healthy and which may need attention. When viewing multiple devices, the average of all devices is displayed as an overall score and letter grade, from A+ to F. The scale is 1 to 100 with extra points offered for best practices. Devices with critical alarms will have lower scores than devices operating normally. Check the PredictPulse user help document for a detailed definition of the scoring method and what determines high and low grades. Alarm notifications. PredictPulse lets Eaton act as a second set of eyes over your UPS and devices. In addition to monitoring health data and alarms, Eaton will notify you of urgent alarm events requiring immediate attention, which can include a local Eaton field technician being dispatched with parts. This is a 24/7 service, so notifications can occur at any hour. Notifications are a result of an alarm or event sent by your device to PredictPulse. These alarms are then pushed to you as emails, SMS text messages, notices on your mobile or desktop app, and phone calls. You manage your notification settings and preferences from the side menu. You can opt out of call, text, or email notifications. Eaton will call during urgent alarm events and confirm with you what action you'd like to take. Tooltips. Many icons can be clicked on to display descriptions, definitions, and tips. If your screen looks strange, try clearing your cache and reopening your browser. If you've activated a device and it isn't displaying, or it stops displaying data, contact Eaton support so we can help restore a device. We hope this has been a helpful introduction to the key features of PredictPulse. If you have questions, consult the PredictPulse user help document on eaton.com/PredictPulse or contact Eaton support. Be sure to watch our other how-to videos for more information.